अपने उन मेहमान को जो कि असल में हमारे मेज़बान हैं, बहुत आदरणीय हैं और जिनके सहयोग के बिना जेएसवी मेडिकल कॉलेज का कोई कार्य संभव नहीं होता। प्रिंसिपल एंड डीन ऑफ जेएसवी मेडिकल कॉलेज, टीचर्स के टीचर प्रोफेसर नवनीत कुमार. He needs no introduction, but still I would request Dr. Ritu Budhwar to introduce our patron, Professor Navneet Kumar, to the audience.
Dr. Navneet Kumar, our patron, needs no introduction. He is a well-known academician and neurologist. He did his MBBS and MD from KGMC Lucknow. He was awarded DM in neurology from KGMC Lucknow. Joined as Assistant Professor Neurology in the newly formed Neurology Unit of the Medicine Department in 1989, it was his untiring efforts and ability to foresee change that he became the head of Medicine Department of Lakshmipat Singhania Institute of Medicine and now is the Principal and Dean of GSVM Medical College, Kanpur. He has guided many research projects and theses of medical postgraduates and has numerous research publications in national and international journals. He has written and edited books on neurology. His writings on seizure diseases have been well appreciated by the medical fraternity. Presently, he is successfully giving shape to his dream of having a full-fledged Department of Neurology at GSVM Medical College, Kanpur. Thank you.
I would request you to please give a good round of applause Professor Navneet Kumar sir for his patron's address.
Thank you very much. Honorable Minister Shri Vedia Sahab, my senior colleagues and other members in the dais, the audience, the members of the Silver Jubilee batch, my other friends and colleagues. Let me share with you today that I was selected in GSPM Medical College initially in 1976 in MBBS. So I am also truly a gem. Then I shifted to KGMC and did my studies from KGMC. But I never thought that I will be here as a faculty after my studies. Then I never thought that I'll be addressing your batch as a patron and a principal today. I welcome you all here to attend this wonderful batch meet organized by Dr. Pankaj, Dr. Anup, Dr. Jitendra, Dr. Deepak, and his other colleagues. Batch meet is always a special occasion when you meet your friends who are graying, who are balding, but always the same mischievous smiles on them. Time is today for you all to take your family and your children to the lanes of this medical college and also the places where you might have wanted to go more often during your studies, but you could not show them those areas, those lanes. When I had my own batch meet in Lucknow, I was really fascinated because a lot of changes took place in the college in 25 years. And so I think and so I feel that all of you must be seeing some changes in the college during this period. Our minister, Shri Vedia ji, is here, and he has been a great motivating force to us and to our college to do better and to bring more money and budget for this college. At present, you might see that orthopedic block is newly constructed, the neurology building is newly constructed. They are very much in the campus but we are not able to start them due to paucity of funds and the manpower. However, in the last 4.5 months of my principalship, we are trying with a battery of very very spirited and fighting colleagues to do things and make things better for this college. We've started neurology OPD. We have revived the closed neurology ward in medicine department. Then we have already started clinical society as programs. We also started clinical pathological meets in the college, and we are trying to organize at least 3 to 4 state level conferences in our college every year. Then you will see that cardiology department has really grown to a very magnificent center of excellence under the able guidance and leadership of Professor Vinay Krishna. Then the Cancer Institute has also developed very well and making a name at the state level. Finally, I will just want to give you a message that this is the occasion also for all of you to make mid-course correction in your lives. Some of you who had opportunities in your life, in your career, have become maybe big names. However, it's very important that the remaining years of our career are devoted to 2 things mainly. The first thing is to help the poor and downtrodden people of the society, and the second is to find some time for yourself, for exercises, for meditation, and a quality family time. Today is a very important day also because today we are starting the computerized VHTs in our emergency department. So with this all, I wish you all best of time, best of stay, and a very promising career ahead. And I wish that all your unfulfilled dreams are going to come true in the next 25 years. And you all are here to celebrate the Golden Jubilee meet of your batch. Thank you. Goodbye.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। ऐसा नहीं कि ये ज़िंदगी बुरी है, ऐसा नहीं कि ये ज़िंदगी बुरी है, पर GSVM मेडिकल कॉलेज की लाइफ की बात ही कुछ और थी। ऐसा नहीं कि अब हंसी नहीं आती, ऐसा नहीं कि अब हंसी नहीं आती, पर दोस्तों के बीच बैठ खिलखिलाने की बात ही कुछ और थी। ऐसा नहीं कि अब टेंशन से रात नहीं गुजरती, ऐसा नहीं कि अब टेंशन से रात नहीं गुजरती, पर एग्जाम्स में रातों में जागने की बात ही कुछ और थी। ऐसा नहीं कि आगे आकर कुछ हासिल नहीं किया हमने, ऐसा नहीं कि आगे आकर कुछ हासिल नहीं किया हमने, पर पासिंग मार्क्स से प्रॉफ्स के बाद पार्टी उड़ाने की बात ही कुछ और थी। ऐसा नहीं कि अब जिंदगी कट नहीं रही, ऐसा नहीं कि जिंदगी अब कट नहीं रही, पर दोस्तों में जिंदगी जीने की बात ही कुछ और थी। इन सभी पुराने दोस्तों की स्मृतियों को बहुत प्यार से संवारा है, पिरोया है हमारी बहुत ही प्यारी सीनियर आप लोग की बैचमेट डॉक्टर अर्चना भदौरिया ने, जो कि एडिटर हैं जेम्सकॉन सुवेनियर की। मैं उनसे निवेदन करूं कि वे अपनी स्मृति पंजिका को विमोचन करने के लिए आएं। डॉक्टर अर्चना भदौरिया। थैंक यू डॉक्टर अर्चना भदौरिया। एक गांव में कुछ बच्चे एक शख्स को घसीटते हुए लिए जा रहे थे। 4-5 बच्चे और एक बंदा स्कूल की तरफ घसीटते लिए जा रहे थे। एक बुजुर्गवार ने कहा, अरे बच्चों, इसको छोड़ दो, इसको पढ़ना होगा तो ये स्वयं स्कूल आ जाएगा। बच्चे बोले, अरे ताऊ परेशान ना हो, ये तो मास्टर जी हैं, इनको हम स्कूल ले जा रहे हैं। हम बहुत खुशनसीब हैं कि हमारे टीचर्स ऐसे नहीं थे। हमारे अंदर जो जज्बा है, जो डेडिकेशन है, ये हमारे टीचर्स, गुरुओं से ही हमें प्राप्त हुआ है। गुरु ब्रह्मा दो खड़े, काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद बताए। आज पिछले 15 वर्षों से मैं इस कॉलेज में हूँ और आज भी अपने टीचर्स के सामने मुंह से नज़रें झुक जाती हैं और मुंह से सिर्फ गुड मॉर्निंग सर, थैंक यू सर के अलावा कुछ नहीं निकलता। मैं निवेदन करना चाहूँगी आज के प्रेसिडेंट जेम्स के डॉक्टर पंकज गुलाटी एवं डॉक्टर अर्चना भदौरिया से कि वो हमारे सम्मानित शिक्षकों का फेलिसिटेशन करें। डॉक्टर पंकज गुलाटी।
Most of the teachers were in my childhood my uncles and aunts. And the day I entered MBBS, they also became my teachers. So today it is extreme honor for me to express my respect to all of them. Please accept them, sir. I am feeling simply overwhelmed and short of words to express how happy we Para C1 are feeling today. It's a moment of extreme joy and happiness for all of us. When God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace, was to help us to learn to make our world better and wiser place. I will be calling the name of our respected teachers, and the Para C1 friends of mine will help them to escort Dr. Seema, Dr. Sangeeta, Dr. Roma Rastogi. Please come and help me. The teacher from the first teacher we came in contact were of anatomy, biochemistry and physiology. So I would like to call upon Dr. B.K. Soor, head of the department biochemistry. Dr. Anand Bhaskar. Dr. S.S. Zaidi, sir. Dr. Zaidi. Dr. Asha Agarwal. She made pathology very interesting for all of us. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I may learn. Thank you. Dr. P.K. Singh. Dr. Sushil Chandra. Dr. S.K. Katiyal. Professor J.L. Radhan, sir. Dr. D.K. Mittal. Dr. V.S. Rajput, sir. Dr. D.K. Mittal. Dr. V.S. Rajput. Dr. Meera Rajput. Dr. R. M. Tandon, sir. Dr. S.K. Srivastava. Dr. R.K. Shukla. Dr. A.K. We left smarter than we arrived, and you played a major part. You taught us just not from books, but also from your heart. From pediatrics, Dr. J.N. Bhalla.